Manqoba Mngqithi returns to Golden Arrows ahead of showdown with Sundowns. Manqoba Mngqithi has made a dramatic return to Golden Arrows just in time to lead the team against his former club Mamelodi Sundowns in Wednesday Betway Premiership clash at Mpumalanga Stadium. Arrows confirmed Mngqithi's appointment on Monday via their social media platforms, announcing that the seasoned tactician will work alongside Musa Bilankulu and Kagiso Dikgakoi in the technical team. The 53-year-old coach, who parted ways with Sundowns in December, steps into a crucial role at Arrows as they aim to revive their league campaign. Currently sitting 11th on the log with 20 points from 16 matches, Abafana Besende have struggled for consistency, especially after the departure of Mabudi Kanyeza to Chippa United. Mngqithi is no stranger to the Durban-based club. His coaching journey began with Arrows in 2007, a tenure that saw him guide the team to MTN 8 glory. He later took charge of Amazulu and Chippa United before returning to Arrows briefly in 2012. However, it was at Sundowns where he enjoyed his longest spell, serving for 11 years as both assistant coach and co-coach, helping the Brazilians dominate South African football. Now back at Arrows, Mngqithi will be eager to make an immediate impact, starting with the statement performance against the club he helped shape into a powerhouse. A victory over Sundowns will be the perfect way to kickstart his latest chapter with Arrows and prove his tactical experience once again. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.